Quiz 20. All right, let's work through this. Name the CaI2 compound. Well, Ca is calcium, and it's a +2. I is iodide, and it is a -1. And we have two of those. CaI2. All right, that's calcium iodide. Calcium iodide. Name the K3N compound. Well, K is potassium, and it's a +1, and I have 3 of them. I have 3 of the potassiums, and I have 1 of the nitride. Nitride is -3. +1 +1 +1 -3 equals 0 is our math formula. K3N, potassium nitride. Right there. Name the Ag2O compound. Well, Ag is silver, and it's a +1, and I have 2 of them. O is oxide, and that's a -2. +1 +1 -2 equals 0. Silver oxide. Silver oxide. Name the CD3N2 compound. Okay. I have 3 of these CDs, right? And I have 2 of these nitrides, 2 of them. So now if you're trying to figure out the math equation, the easiest way to do this is to memorize that periodic table of ions. And you'll remember that cadmium is a +2, and I have 3 of them. So that gives me a +6, and nitride then must be a -3. So that's +2 +2 +2, -3 -3 equals 0. Cadmium nitride. Cadmium nitride. Name the YCl3 compound. Y is yttrium, and Cl is chloride. Yttrium is a +3 ion, and the chloride is the -1 ion, and we have 3 of them. All right, yttrium chloride. Now, the way I can go through and just name these like this is because I've memorized that periodic table of ions and the periodic table of elements. So when you have those tables memorized, you can learn how to name compounds easily. It's very fluid. It's very easy to do, and you need to practice. Don't rely on having the table in front of you. You need to practice those so that you can easily tell the name of a chemical compound. It will help you out tremendously later on. Write the chemical formula for aluminum sulfide. Well, aluminum is +3, and sulfide is -2. So we memorize those. And instantly we can see, oh, we're going to have AlAl, S -2, -2, -2 to get to 0. We're able to instantly just write out what our chemical formula would be. We have 2 of the aluminums and 3 of the sulfides. We could also go through and play that crisscross game where we have Al +3 and sulfide -2. Play the crisscross game, and we get Al2S3 right there. So let me write this in here, Al2S3 right here. Write the chemical formula for magnesium oxide. Magnesium is Mg, it's a +2. Oxide, O, -2. Now, if we did that +2 -2 equals 0, hey, we're done. The formula is just MgO. That should make sense to us. What about when we do that crisscross? MgO -2. We get Mg2O2, but what do we have to do? Whenever possible, we need to reduce. And so these become 1s, and then we get MgO. All right, magnesium oxide. Write the chemical formula for indium arsenide. Indium is a +3 ion, and arsenide is a -3 ion. So we get plus 3 minus 3 is 0. So indium arsenide would be INAS. INAS. Write the chemical formula for zinc bromide. Well, zinc bromide, zinc is a +2 ion and bromide is a -1 ion. So we're going to have Zn +2, +2, -1. We need another -1 to get to 0. So we're going to have zinc and Br2. ZnBr2. And again, we can have zinc +2, Br -1, play that crisscross game, and we get ZnBr2. Okay, right there. So, last one. Write the chemical formula for silver chloride. Well, silver is Ag, and it's a +1, and chloride is a -1, so the formula for silver chloride is AgCl. Good. Well, there you go. We got a great start. Now, next week, we're going to start naming the cations, or the positively charged ions, where there's more than one of them in the box. So next week's naming is going to get a little bit more detailed. But we got a really good start on this one. So that's good. All right, I hope you're having fun.